I just want to thank JPK Group for putting this event together this week. I find that it's very, very beneficial to both practitioners of competitive intelligence and financial planning to be able to come together and really talk about how the different ways that we analyze data and use that information within the organization can be leveraged and put to better work in communicating out to our leaders and communicating out to business managers to help to drive change in our organization. So I think one of the key takeaways for me was that sometimes we're looking at the same sets of information, but we're taking different things away from it. And too often we as an organization fail to communicate what our takeaways are, what our perceptions or assumptions are when we look at those results. So having these opportunities to come together and really talk about where the meaning is derived from those same sets of data, or how you could look at the data differently in order to come up with new opportunities to drive recommendations, to make change, and to help to generate growth and opportunity within your business. It's really eye-opening, I think, to have everyone come together this way. And it has an excellent group of speakers. The attendees tend to participate very well, so you get to learn both from case studies and examples and from the questions that people ask, where you all start to contribute and add value and talk to how you might address that situation. So there's been a lot of offline conversation as well as the conversations and the learnings that are taking place in the events themselves. And I would recommend anyone that feels that they can improve what they're doing in their organization today when it comes to intelligence and strategy would think of coming to this event in the future, either as a speaker or as an attendee, because there's always ways that we can improve upon what we do.